This is the Emergency Medical Minute, sponsored by Mile High Ambulance. The Emergency Medical Minute is excited to announce that we are now offering AMA, PRA, Category 1 credits via online course modules. To access these and for more information, visit our website at www.emergencymedicalminute.com/CME-courses, or simply click on the link in our show notes and create an account.
All right. Well, good morning, everybody. So I think we all know that COVID's been generally stressful on us and society at large. And this was kind of an interesting study that looked at quantifying symptoms of depression during early COVID and comparing it to a previous cohort. This study looked at actually a time period fairly early, March and April of 2020, so kind of when COVID was just starting, and it was a national survey of people in the United States, adults, and looked at depression symptoms, and it compared it to a time period, 2017 to 2018, and as expected, or kind of worse than I would expect, depression went up pretty significantly. For mild symptoms, it was 25% during COVID compared to 16% before. And then moderate was actually 15% of patients during COVID compared to only about 6% before. Moderately severe was 8 versus 2. And severe depression was 5% compared to less than 1%. So basically across the board, 3 times higher. And you can only imagine how much worse it was, further on as COVID dragged on. Obviously there's been a lot of financial impact on people at large. People are concerned about health. You can't do the things that people enjoy doing. The study looked at, who affected it the most or who was affected the most. And it found that people who had less savings, kind of a worse financial situation, more stressors, were more likely to be affected. So potentially a lot of our patients. Something that just we should be aware of, both in our patients and ourselves, kind of society at large, to be aware that, this has been hard not just medically, but also from a mental health perspective, and doing what we can to be extra nice to our patients sometimes, to people in society, and remember to continue to take care of ourselves and each other, and hopefully we are getting somewhere better.
The Emergency Medical Minute would like to thank our sponsor, Swedish Medical Center, for helping fund our nonprofit organization and make this podcast possible. Donations are essential to our organization to cover operational costs and fund the creation of our online courses offering AMA, PRA, Category 1 credits. So if you enjoy our show, and if you're able to make a one-time or recurring donation towards our organization, any amount is helpful. Please click the link in our show notes to make a donation. Thank you for listening.